Alright, we're going to go over a subject that many people were brainwashed on, and how the media has pretty much brainwashed and people into thinking that the earth is a globe, a spinning globe, and they come against those who are against the spinning globe by saying that we're conspiracy theorists when really, truly, they are the conspiracy theorists. And I don't think they're conspiracy theorists. I believe they were just covering it up. And the more and more you're in the spirit, you will realize why they're covering it up. Because the globe earth, if you create a globe earth, that basically disproves God. They're trying to disprove God is what they're trying to do. They're trying to turn people's ears away from God and their eyes away from God. Because they know a globe earth is against God. They know a globe earth disproves the creation of God. You notice in these two shapes here, how the blue one is in the shape of a basketball shape. That's a sphere. The orange one is not a sphere, it's a circle. It's a real circle. Now, although both of them are round, the circle is not forming a big old ball. The circle is just a circle. Now, whenever you try to form a circle into a big old ball, then it's no longer a circle. It's a total different shape. A circle doesn't spin or roll like a basketball. A circle stays in one place. Likewise, if you harmonize the scripture together, the scripture says the earth is a circle. It's not a globe, it's not a sphere. And he also said that he has made the earth still to where it cannot be moved. So therefore, it is not spinning like a globe. It is stuck in one place. And even if our earthquake happens, let's say the earth shakes, it's still not moving out of that place. It's shaking in place. If you want to use rare sense, I don't call it common sense. It's shaking in place. It's not moving out of place. If an earthquake happens. Now, they like to twist the fact and twist the facts around by saying that if the earth is flat, which I don't believe it's completely flat either. However, it's not a globe. They like to twist the fact by saying that if it's not a globe, then you will fall off the edge. Well, if God made the earth still and made it to where it cannot be moved, then you can't fall off the edge. It's still. The earth is still. You can't fall off the edge if it's still. You're stuck in one place. However, they're basically proving us right. They're proving their own logic wrong, because if the earth is a globe and it's constantly spinning, then we will fall off the edge. If the earth is a globe, then we would definitely fall off the edge if it's spinning like that. Try to stand on a basketball. A basketball is a globe. A soccer ball is a globe. Try to stand on one of those and see if you don't slip off the edge. If you're a good balancer, you might be able to balance for a while, but eventually you're going to fall off and slip off. Because it's not still, it's constantly rolling. So, just to let you know, biblically, the earth is not a globe. The earth is a circle. And there's a big difference between a globe and a circle. It's not the same. However, the earth is not completely flat as a pancake either. How can it be completely flat as a pancake if we have hills, mountains, and all that? It can't. It can't be completely flat if you have hills, mountains, and all that. However, just because it has hills, mountains, and all that doesn't prove it's a globe either. Another thing, in Genesis 1:7, and God made the firmament, and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. You noticed, there's waters below, and there's waters above. I believe the waters, which according to the Bible, the waters that are below the firmament are the oceans, are the lakes, are the rivers, and all that on the earth. The waters above the firmament are the waters which are in space, which are outside of the sky zone. That's above the firmament. The firmament is a dome that's protecting all those waters from coming down. Whenever it rains, it's because God allows it to rain. The earth is not this flat. It's not completely flat. So I'm not a flat earther, but I'm not a globe earther either. This is the difference between a sphere and a circle. Now go in peace, brothers and sisters.